Bonjour. Good morning students. Bonjour. J'espère que vous allez très bien. I hope you are all well. So today, aujourd'hui, nous allons continuer la leçon numéro 2 de la grammaire. So last class, we saw the IR group verb from the second group. Okay, so today we are going to see the continuation of the grammar parts. Okay, so le pluriel des noms, plural of the nouns. Okay, so first part, most of the nouns are made in plural by adding a s to a singular noun. Okay, so I have written in English so that you can understand easily. So la plupart des noms sont ajoutés à s au singulier. So most of the word nouns are made plural by adding a s. I have given you some example here. So we already saw les articles définis and définis. Okay. So le un garçon. So you can see garçon. So when we are changing into plural, so we are going to add a s to the plural. So I have given you 3 examples. Garçon means boy. Un garçon, le garçon, the boy, a boy. Okay? So in le bonbon, what is le bonbon? Bonbon means toffee. So toffee, we are giving toffee for your birthday. Okay, distributing toffees. So les bonbons, des bonbons. We are going to add s for the plural. La glace, une glace. What is glass? We already saw for the words, vocabulary words. Glass means ice cream. You like it, isn't it? So les glaces, des glaces. So for glass we are going to add a s. So this is over for the simple changing of plural nouns. Okay. So we are going to just add a s for the plural noun. So second one. Noun ending with s, x, z. S, x, z. Okay, is that in English? Z in French. In the singular, do not change in the plural. So, quand vous avez les noms qui se terminent par s, x, z, au singulier, nous n'allons pas changer au pluriel. There are no changes when we are going to change into plural. Okay? Le fils and fils. Fils means what? We saw in the first book. The relations. Fils means son. Okay? Always it ends with s. Le fils and fils. Okay? So in the plural form we are going to tell les fils, des fils. So you can see no changes here. Okay? So next, la croix, une croix. So croix means cross. Okay? Into one or cross we are having the symbol of a church. Okay? Les croix, des croix. So you can see there are no changes here also. Le nez and name. So name means what? We saw in the parts of the body, isn't it? So it's a parts of a face. Where is le nez? Le nez is the nose. Okay? So le nez and name. Les nez, des nez. So no changes for the nouns ending with s, x, z. Okay? So this is over for this also. Now we are going to go for the next. Noun ending with E-A-U. So what is E-A-U in French? O. So this sounds is O. So E-A-U and E-U. E-U. So this word normally takes a X. le feu and feu. Feu means fire. Okay, so fire is le feu. Another example is, what is that? Le feu, traffic signal. You have the traffic signals, no, in your street. Okay, in the main roads. You have the traffic lights. So that is called also le feu. Okay, in French, we are telling le feu. So, les feux, des feux. Okay, so we are going to add a X. So you have some, another one. L'eau. L'eau means water. So why did you put L apostrophe? Because we have a bubble. So that we wrote L apostrophe l'eau. Okay. Les eaux. So when we are going to tell together, this will sound Z. Okay. Les eaux. We are going to tell. Next, we have some exceptions. So you have some exceptions. So that we cannot change into X. Okay. It remains with S. Le pneu. What is le pneu? Le pneu is a tire of a car or a cycle or a bike. Okay. Le pneu is a tire. Okay. So les pneus, des pneus. So you can see we are not put X. This is an exception. We are not going to put X. We are going to put S for that. So next, le livre bleu. Un livre bleu. So what is le livre bleu? We saw bleu for the color adjective, isn't it? So un livre bleu. Des livres bleus. So we are going to add a S to the noun and add a S for the color. Okay? I hope it is clear. J'espère que vous avez compris. Yes? So I have done step by step. We saw, and we are going to go for the fourth one. Certain noun ending with OU. So OU means the sound U. Okay? Takes X. Takes X in the plural. So le bijou. Bijou means jewel. We are wearing jewel. So earring, chain, anything, bracelet. Okay. So these are le bijou, jewels. So and bijou, les bijoux. For that we are going to add a X in the plural form. Okay. Le genou. And genou. We saw in the parts of the body this also. So what is le genou? Knee. Okay. So that is knee. We have both knees, isn't it? So knee is le genou. So for that we are les genoux, des genoux. Next, le hibou and hibou. Hibou is a bird, owl. We are telling owl. Okay, you can see only in the night. That is le hibou and hibou. For that also we are going to add a X. Next, le caillou and caillou. Caillou means little stones. We are saying also pebbles. Okay, so these are les cailloux, des cailloux. We are going to add a X. So few noun exception. Few noun ending with OU will take a S. Okay, so for that also you have a exception. I highlights the exceptions. You can see in your grammar. Okay, so example and cou. What is cou? We saw in the parts of the body also. Cou is neck. Okay, and cou, le cou. So that is neck for that. So and cou, le cou, des cou. We are going to add a S instead of adding a X. Okay. So le clou. Clou means what? What is clou? Huh? What is that? So clou it's a small pin. Okay, clou. Okay, and clou, they clou. We are going to add a S. Okay, so we are going to move to the fifth one. Most of the noun ending So we have an journal. Journal means newspaper. And journal. Des journaux. We are going to change into E-U-R-U-X. Okay. So R-L takes A-U-X in the plural. Okay. It will be very easy for you when you are going to do your exercise. You have just to follow the grammar parts and do the exercise that I am going to give you. If you have properly listened to the grammar that I taught you, it will be easy for you to do the exercise. Okay? So, le signal and signal. So, signal is not the signal. Okay? As I told you, the signal is not signal. Signal is le feu. Okay? Le feu, ça veut dire le signal. Okay? So for that, and signal it's a sound that we are going to give when we are going to start an exam or start something. When we are going to have a competition, running competition, we are just going to start with the whistle. Okay, that is called le signal. We are going to give you the sound. Okay, that is called le signal. Because most of the time everyone are confusing with the signal. That is not signal, it's not le signal in French. Okay, so don't confuse with that. Le signal, des signaux. Next, un cheval, des chevaux. What is cheval? We saw with the animals' names. Cheval means horse. Okay, un cheval, des chevaux, horses. Okay, so for that also you have exceptions. Le bal and bal. What is bal? We have an evening party. Okay, a slow music party. That is called le bal. We are going to move with dance with a small melodious music. That is called le bal. We are dressing very beautifully. Okay, so we saw in your movies and all. Okay, so now le bal, des bal. Next. Le carnaval. Le carnaval. So what is le carnaval? Carnaval it's a what? Fancy dress competition. So le carnaval it's a fancy dress competition. So we are having le carnaval in the month of March, April. Okay. So le carnaval is a festival, French festival. Okay, so that is called le carnaval. Des carnaval. Le chacal. It's a kind of what we can say, wolf. Okay, le chacal. Le chacal is a kind of wolf. Okay, so le chacal, des chacal. Okay, so I hope your head is clear for you with the highlight that I gave you here. Okay, so you are going to do your assignment regarding the grammar parts. So today we are going to see the lesson number 2, grammar parts. Okay, so here I have given you the second group verb. Okay, so we already saw the first group verb ending. So now we are going to see the second group verb endings. So here les verbes du deuxième groupe au présent de l'indicatif. So the verb of the second group is the present tense. Okay? So les verbes du deuxième groupe se terminent en IR. En retirant le R, on ajoute la terminaison. So here I am going to give you line by line the meaning. Okay? So here I have written in French. So you are going to write in your classwork today's date and write the classwork, and then I am going to give you some assignment about this. Okay? So the verb of the second group end with IR, and you are going to remove the R and add their endings. Okay? So la terminaison, the endings. La terminaison means the endings. So as I told you, we are going to cut the R. Okay? So we are going to add S, S, T, T, S-S-O-N-S, S-S-E-Z, S-S-E-N-T, S-S-E-N-T. So you already know the subject, pronoun subject, okay? So I have given you some example, one example here for the verb finir. So what is the verb finir? Finir is to finish, okay? So I have given one example for you. Je finis. You are going to cut the R, okay? Je finis, tu finis, il finit, elle finit, nous finissons, vous finissez, ils finissent, elles finissent. So this is the type of the verb for the IR group verb. How to conjugate a verb for the IR group verb. And here, les autres verbes qui se conjuguent de la même façon. So, the other verbs which are conjugated as the same. Okay? Le verbe remplir, grossir, choisir, grandir, obéir, punir, rougir, maigrir. Okay? So, you have the French meaning here with the English meaning. So, remplir is to fill, grossir is to grow, bigger or larger, to become fat, or choisir, to choose, grandir, to grow tall, obéir, to obey, punir, to punish, rougir, to become red. If you are angry, you become red. So that is to become rougir, okay? Maigrir, to become thin. So this type of verb are going to be conjugate like this. Okay, it is clear. I hope it is clear for you. So here, attention. Attention means be careful. Nous avons d'autres verbes qui se terminent en IR, mais qui n'ont pas la même terminaison. So we have other verbs also. Okay, end by IR, mais qui n'ont pas la même terminaison, but they are not having the same endings. So, etc. Example. Partir, sortir, tenir, venir, ouvrir, etc. So, partir is to leave, sortir is to live, go out, tenir to hold, venir to come, ouvrir to open. So, this type of verb you are going to see also the conjugation for this type of verb in the next lesson. Okay, so you have tenir, obéir, all this type of verb will be in your next lessons. Okay, so I hope it is clear for the second group verb. And we are going to have some assignment about this.
Bonjour, good morning. Okay, so you are ready to learn the number names? Yes. So we are going to learn the number names in French. Okay, so you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, next you have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So after 20 you have 21. So in between 20 and 1 you are going to insert ET. Okay, 21, 22, you are going to write an hyphen also in between the two names. Okay, so 21, 22. Okay, you are going to follow the same for 30. 30 means 30 and 31. Can you see that? Yes, 31, 32, 33 and for 40 is 40. 41, 42, 43. Okay, so you have till up to 50. Okay, so 51, 51, 52, 53. Next we will have 60, 60, 61, 62, 63. Okay, so we have to know for 70 and 90 we have to follow 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, because we have 60 plus 10, 70. Okay, so we are going to say 70. Okay, 71, 72, 73, 74. Okay. Next for 80, it ends with the S. 80, 80. Okay, so that is 80. 81, 82, 81, 82, 83. We are going to follow and write the hyphen in between the number names. Next you have the last one, 90. 80 plus 10. 90, 90, 90. So we already learned that 70 and 90 will follow with 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. So and it ends with song. Song means 100. Okay. So you are going to learn this number names. Okay, so you are going to do that activity that I gave you also, the page of activity. You are going to match the correct number to the correct picture. Okay, so at home you are going to repeat after me all the number names. Okay, and you are going to learn in French. Merci, thank you. Now you have another paper also. Okay, another page. So you can see you have to draw a line to match the picture on the left and the number on the right. Okay. So you know the number names. We learned the number names, isn't it? Okay. So can we repeat the number names? S, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we are saying 1 to 10. Okay, so you have these stars. You are going to match to the correct number. Okay, so you are going to do this activity also. Good morning, students. So here you have one page of activity. Okay, so you are going to do this activity. You are going to match the correct article to the noun. Okay, so you have the topic. Can you read the topic? Relier ce qui va ensemble. So link those who is going together. Okay. So you have going to link. You have already one example. You can see le monsieur. So you have to identify whether the noun is masculine, feminine, plural or started with the vowel. Okay, so we already know the vowels A, E, I, O, U, H and Y are silent vowels. Okay, so we have article défini, article indéfini. Okay, so we already learned what is an article defined and what is an defined articles and what is an indefined articles. Okay, so determinate to whom it belongs. Okay, so the, le, la, le means the in English and in they means it is not determinate. Okay, it is not defined to whom it belongs. It's a common thing. Okay, so you are going to do this activity and send it as an assignment. Okay. Good morning, students. So in this lesson we saw the plural of nouns. Okay, so here I gave you one activity to do. You are going to match the plural of the noun. Either it is singular or plural. Okay, so I gave you two match and one fill up. Okay, so in the next page you are going to find out. We saw also the IR group verb, second group verb. Okay, so in the right side you have the verb along with the subject. Okay, so you're going to conjugate the verb and write in the vertical side or in the horizontal side. Okay, so you are going to find out the conjugation. So they have given you the subject. For each verb you have one subject. So you are going to find out the verb with the subject, the right conjugation and write the verb. If it is vertically, you are going to write the verb in vertical, or if it is in horizontal, you are going to write it horizontal. Okay, so let me see for the next page. You have the verb du deuxième groupe, verb of second group. Okay, so it is, you have to find out the verb, okay, which is in the grill. Okay, so you are going to find out the word. So you are going to search for the word. Okay, so next activity, So next one is you have the verbs. Okay, all the IR group verbs list. Okay, that I gave you. So these are the verb in second group. Okay, and last one you have one last activity. You are going to conjugate the verb. Okay, so they gave you the endings of the present tense of IR group verb. You are going to fill up the ending, and the second exercise is regarding the subject pronoun. Okay, so we saw now the subject pronouns. You are going to refer your first lesson and do this activity. Okay, do this without fail and send it to me while you are sending your assignment. Merci.